I'm headed to Las Vegas. Along with my travel buddies Mark and Pete, I will be road tripping it from LA to Vegas and stopping off at some really cool places along the way before spending one jam-packed day discovering the best of Sin City and all it has to offer. And as usual, I will be completely price transparent so you know how much a trip to Vegas might cost you. The trip from LA to Vegas takes about 4 to 5 hours, but we've decided to stop at some interesting places along the way, starting with Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch. This place is literally a forest of bottle trees. It all came about by this fellow Elmer who created his first bottle tree in the year 2000, and since then it has grown into 200 bottle trees. And it's so obscure, it's just sat in the middle of the California desert. Entry is free, but donations are welcome. Our next stop is Peggy Sue's 50s Inspired Diner, and this is actually the very first American diner that I have ever been to.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Have you decided?
I think so.
I was really hoping to get one of those cliched servers that is a chain smoker and has to work 3 jobs to support herself and pay the rent whilst also wanting to be a country music singer. But our waitress Connie was actually really lovely. So make sure you pop out the back of Peggy Sue's to see the dinosaur park for a unique experience.
You're here to save me.
It's going down. I'm your captain.
Go where you wanna go.
"20 minutes down the road from Peggy Sue's and you come to an abandoned water park, which is kind of in the middle of nowhere. The water park opened in 1962 and was called Lake Dolores. And then it changed hands a couple of times and then closed for 20 years and then reopened in 1998. And then it closed in 2004 for good after a staff member hurt themselves and then sued the park, and I guess they just ran out of money, I suppose. This place is creepy. Mark and Pete have gone off and decided to explore the park together. And here I am, left wandering around an abandoned building. The last stop on our road trip to Vegas is the world's tallest thermometer. And across the road is a place called Alien Jerky, which has every type of jerky you could ever imagine in the world. And that's it. Next stop, Vegas. Should I say it? Should I say it? Oh, I'm gonna hate myself. Vegas, baby! I feel so gross. Welcome to my first day in Vegas. I thought I'd start this morning off by showing you where we're staying and give you a little room tour. So we are staying at the Desert Rose All Suite Hotel. So we've got a little kitchen, a dining room, then you've got a pull-out couch here where Pete is staying, and then a little balcony, and then through here is the main bedroom. Believe it, I am at the Vegas Strip. We don't really have much planned today except hotel watching, as the term is coined, which basically means just having a look and going in and out of all the amazing hotels here. But first, we're going to partake in one of Vegas's favorite pastimes, and that is a lunch buffet. And we're doing that at Caesar's Palace. Tickets to Cirque du Soleil. So I'll see you tonight. Thanks for watching. If you would like more information on my time in Vegas, make sure you check out my blog linked below. And please like, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on the next leg of my American tour.